story. You would have more accept and appreciate them glory. Real. We smile, we ball, we rise.
So yes guys, welcome back to Life with Corridors. So I'm gonna just go on a little take on this thing with Shenseea. I'm not gonna lie, I agree with what she's about to say. And she telling us say, and everything what people say, you don't have to answer to. No, you don't have to answer to everything. And she can't come out and just address every situation will come across her, because remember that she's a celebrity. She can't address everything. People are always talk. So listen what Shenseea have to say. Listen what she have to say.
So nothing I did for address about that either. Because I made a tweet. But I don't even know who me I talk about. Bro, what?
These people, me maybe not a celebrity, but I come into this situation before where I talk things on my social media and other people take it up and put it on them head. So I kind of have an idea what she a talk about. It's not everything a person posts that means say it a go towards a next person. Sometimes a person just a little attention or something and then just come up with the idea and just post something just to get some of the negative people attention.
I don't even know what I'm talking about. Like, honestly, you have no clue what I'm talking about. More make for talk. Exactly. I know that. More make for talk. But yeah, no. I'm gonna tell you from now, if you didn't hear from me, don't be quick to believe everything y'all see on the net. And it's weird, you know, because I saw that article and I sent it to someone on my team and was like, yo, can people like really write crazy lies like this on me? Like they can actually do this. I can't sue them now. And they go, yeah, we can get it done for you, but there's gonna be so many.
So basically, people what she a try is she reach out to her lawyers
address about that
and
either.
she did
I
try
made a
to
tweet.
sue some people
I don't even know who me I talk about.
stuff and
Bro,
put up
what?
stuff on a website. You
I don't even know what I'm talking
but
about.
the
Like,
amount of
honestly,
process where
you
they would have to go
have no
through,
clue what
it
I'm
wouldn't
talking
really
about.
make no sense. So let's get more into the video of what Shenseea is saying. And I think she have a great and a valid point.
Many people that are gonna do this. If I'm trying to look to go mainstream, it's gonna happen worse. People literally are just gonna get up and fabricate stupid shit and put it on a website, bro. It's not even like you put it up on a mix-up page. No, a website. But then I was like, all right, cool. Let me get in contact with the lawyer, because this don't even make no sense. One, the lawyer said it's gonna take too long to get down that story, right? And two, it don't make no sense because people can literally just get up and chat it, post it on a website. So it's gonna come again and again and again. This for me, the way I see it, is just a start. Like, there's worse to come. That's how I feel. But, and that is why I'm telling you now that there's gonna be worse to come.
For all the YouTubers and everybody, wanna listen and hear what Shenseea say, there is going to be worse to come. You see, the more popular you get, is the more things people are gonna have to say about you. So sometimes you have to just ignore negative people and push. You ever see have some grasmite with comment and do some bad comment on some big celebrity posts? And when I look upon them I said, Jesus Christ, look how the girl look and she have something bad. And those are the people who always have something bad to say about a successful individual. So let's get into the video, guys.
Some people are gonna tell much worse lies on me, but don't expect me to come on social media every time some shit go up online. Cause no, me not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. And then when I check other stories on the same site, I see that it's literally a hate page, a hate website for me. Cause some things other people them say, I'm like, me? I don't even talk like this, bro. I don't even chat so. Me? First of all, I'm very humble. I saw one of the story where them say, I don't have to go do shows for promoters because I'm big enough now, can do shows for myself, so I'm gonna stop the show for promoter. I'm like, how that even makes sense, dog? And people really would have read them something and believe it. When you see me on flyers for other different promoters.
Listen what Shenseea say. You see what some people just talk and some vloggers on know say garbage them talk. You understand? Because if she says she not do no show for the promoters, how she gonna make money? How is it that she's gonna make money? That's why not everything we for sit down and we listen and
does. Sometimes I have to read down in it and say, yo, this just not sound right. And publicity stunts, there's certain shit what I just would never do. I take my time. When I just start music, I had 12,000 followers. And I took my time and now I'm at 4.2 million followers. I'm gonna never have to downgrade myself, right? Or do some work shit for. I'm all about women empowerment. I would never throw myself under the bus for some fame. Excuse me? Never. Don't let them drain the energy. No. You hear me say? A long time the rumor I go about it, I'm not come address nothing enough. Because me I said me.
I always tell people, do not bad mind a person for them success. When you hear what she say, she start from 12,000 followers on IG. Now she there 4.8 million followers. People remember she was a promo girl. So if you're a promo girl for have 12 women, they know that she did go on good with her thing. You see me? So I know every time when I see a person get big, I have to try put them down. Because right now, if me become a celebrity, I saw them I go try dig up stuff and try to say things about me. You understand? All of them don't know them I go fabricate story and talk this and talk that. But for all who don't think say this a push her bigger and bigger, we don't have a next thing coming. So people, let's get more down into the video.
And I'm happy that I took that break. And I wasn't gonna come off that break for nobody, for no stupid rumor. I was not gonna get off that break because I was already a mess, dealing with my own problems. Me not make nobody draw me out and stress me out. Your personality gave you followers, and that's facts. That is facts. Are you pregnant? You said that about same thing. What? Same damn thing.
So yes guys, as you know, when I become a celebrity, it come with a lot of different territories. And what people fail to understand is that celebrities are human too, and they have feelings just like us.
Am I pregnant? The reason I'm even not talk about this, because when they want to post the manager thing, I saw one comment where a girl say, from I have sex with Drake, everything start go.
So this is one of the things I always say. How the hell does these people know that these things are true? Like you take a picture with somebody when I become a celebrity, them say, oh, I should man that, I should start F this 1 year. And the next thing is, why can't it be that a female can get successful? Why not believe say a female can't be successful without opening them legs? Why the industry feel that way there? Say, well, not the industry, people in general feel like say a female can't just come up and get successful without opening up them legs. So guys, more want to comment what you think about the whole situation here. Leave on a comment, what you think about this. Let's finish this video.
Go up. I'm like, so wait, I don't actually believe this shit? Like, on a serious? Like, on a serious?
Bless upon yourself, people. If you reach this far into this video and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please turn on your post notification. Bye guys, I'm gone.